You wake up and it already feels like your body's been hit by a bus. Stiff, exhausted, in pain, before your day has even started. Most people think that's just fibromyalgia. But there are a few small things happening in your mornings that could actually be making it worse. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 hidden morning mistakes, and one of these made a huge difference to me. I've lived with fibromyalgia for over 25 years, and mornings used to be one of the hardest parts of my day. So let's get straight into it with mistake number 1, jumping out of bed too quickly. It's really common. You wake up and you try to just get on with the day, but within minutes your body pushes back. With fibro, your system is already sensitive first thing in the morning. So when you go from still to fully active straight away, it can spike pain, dizziness, and even fatigue. So what helps instead is to give yourself a few minutes to transition with small movements, gentle stretches, and sit up before you stand. I used to push through this and it would backfire almost immediately. Mistake number 2 is shocking your nervous system first thing. This one surprised me. You wake up and your first input is stress. Checking your phone, thinking about everything you have to do, feeling behind before you even started. Your nervous system is already sensitive with fibromyalgia. So if your first input in the day is urgency or pressure, your body stays in that heightened state. What can help is creating calm for the first few minutes. No phone, no rushing thoughts, even just sitting quietly or taking a few slow breaths can make a difference. This was a really big shift for me, and not what I did physically, but how I started my day mentally. Mistake number 3, not hydrating early enough. A lot of people go straight to tea or coffee or nothing at all. But after hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, and that can make fatigue, headaches, and stiffness worse. So even a small glass of water first thing can help your body wake up more gently. This is a really simple way to make your day easier. Mistake number 4, starting the day at full speed. You wake up and you expect yourself to function like you used to, and when you can't, it feels frustrating or even like you're failing. But mornings with fibromyalgia need pacing, not pressure. So it helps to lower the expectation of your first hour. Have a slow start, one small task. Let your body catch up instead of forcing it or pushing it. I had to completely rethink what a normal morning looked like in order to live better with my fibromyalgia. And mistake number 5 is ignoring how your body actually feels that day. Now, fibro isn't consistent. Some mornings are heavier, some are lighter, but it's easy to wake up and try and follow the same plan anyway. What helps is to pause and just check in with your body. What level am I at today? And then adjust. This isn't about giving up, this is about working with your body instead of against it. Now, all of these mistakes might look different, but they actually all come down to one thing. Your body doesn't feel safe in the morning. That's why one of the most helpful things that I found is having a simple, gentle routine, not something complicated, just something your body can rely on. And for me, that's waking up slowly, getting out of bed slowly, having some water, doing a few gentle stretches, and if I can, going for a short walk. It's not about doing it perfectly, it's about your body knowing what's coming. That predictability creates safety, and over time that can make mornings feel a little easier. If this helped, I've made a video on 18 mistakes I made living with chronic illness, things I'd wish I'd understood much earlier. I'll link that here, and it's a really helpful next step. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, take care of yourself and be well.